Grand Krust, the wild taste. Today we're going to make a delicious baked eggs and shrimp. To make this recipe of baked eggs and shrimp for 4 people, you'll need 1 bag of Argentinian red shrimp, 400 grams Grand Krust, 1 leek, 100 grams of peas, 8 eggs, half a liter of cooking cream, salt, white pepper, nutmeg, and fresh chives. To begin, clean the leek and chop it finely. Next, fry the leek and the peas in olive oil until they're soft, but before they take on any color. Continue by adding the shrimp and seasoning to taste. At this point, separate the white from the yolk of the eggs and mix the egg white with the cooking cream and add to the sauce. Spice with pepper and nutmeg, then fill the ramekins. Add a couple of the yolks, cover the ramekins, and bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Once this time has passed, remove the dishes from the oven, decorate with fresh chives, and serve. Bon appetit!